say here is based solely on what the trailer has shown us. Let's start with what I genuinely loved: the costume design. It is absolutely outstanding. Every character looks majestic and the attention to detail is remarkable. The makers have clearly put a lot of effort into creating a world that feels rooted into mythology. रणबीर कपूर एज लॉर्ड राम मुझे काफी कन्विंसिंग लगे। उन्होंने कैरेक्टर को लाउड या ओवर ड्रामेटिक बनाने की जगह बहुत काम और कंपोज्ड अप्रोच रखी हुई है, जो श्री राम की पर्सनालिटी को बहुत ही ज्यादा परफेक्टली फिट बैठती है। नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट साई पल्लवी एज सीता भी बहुत ग्रेसफुल लगी है। उनकी सिंप्लिसिटी और नेचुरल स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस कैरेक्टर को बहुत ही बिलीवेबल बनाती है। कास्टिंग के हिसाब से मुझे ये दोनों चॉइसेस काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग लगे। नाउ कमिंग टू द एस्पेक्ट दैट डिडंट एंटायरली वर्क फॉर मी, the CGI and the visual effects. There is no doubt that this film is aiming for an international scale and many shots are visually ambitious. However, some of the CGI felt a little too polished and artificial. Instead of feeling like a real living world, a few sequences reminded me of a high-end video game. The textures, lighting, and digital environment occasionally lacked the natural imperfections that make visual effects feel truly immersive. Another thing that didn't really completely work for me was Yash's dubbing. His screen presence is undeniably powerful, but the dubbed voice in the trailer lacked the depth and the menace I'd expect from a character like Ravana. At times, it felt slightly disconnected from the intensity of the visuals. Hopefully, this is something that gets refined in the final film, because Yash certainly has that charisma to make the Ravana truly unforgettable. That being said, I really appreciate that the trailer focuses on emotion and mythology rather than the spectacle. It doesn't feel like a non-stop action montage. Instead, it tries to establish the spiritual and emotional journey of the characters. Overall, I have mixed feelings about the trailer. The casting looks promising, the costume and production design are exceptional, but I personally felt that some of the CGI looked a little too artificial. Of course, this is just a trailer, and I'm hoping that the final film delivers an even better experience. What did you think about the trailer? Do you agree with my observations, or did you have a completely different experience? Let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed watching this honest and balanced review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Film Verdict. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.